is my room. Do 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 do. It is a bathroom. It's a bathroom for me. Do 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 do. Groceries in the longer room. Kitchen and refrigerator and pool. And there's a hot tub, high. Look at it. Walk over here, walk over here. There's a parrot bed and table thing. Then we're here, and I go over her and I see a cool room. Look at it.
It's an air hockey table. Air hockey table better than mine at my house, but this pool table kinda sucks. These balls are really nice. That sounded gay. Balls aren't nice. There's a crib and a stroller.
When you go up here, I'm gonna play some foosball. Playing some foosball by myself. There's a b-ball boy. The things I do. Gonna play some b-ball and kick food. Go here. There's a dozen have a been in it.
I'm here on the wall that you can't see, but I'll zoom in. There you go. Here's the back. Ew. Ew. I don't want to know whose that is.
Motion detected. Yeah.
The gate opens for us like we're Moses. Look at that.
I don't need to pull it.
Look at that. It's just automatic. I feel like a celebrity.
Me too. I'm liking this.
Palm tree. We don't have those in Canada.
Good work, Damien. We have palm trees in Canada.
No, we don't.
You don't?
No, what are you, dense? And they grow in tropical climates. So you may think this is just a normal highway, but it's really the Disney highway.
By the way, Maria, just so you know, like all of this is owned by Disney. All the highway in here, all the roads.
I think I just made that point, Dad. But thanks.
If I wasn't watching the road, we would have ran a red light.
Buena Vista.
And we would be there earlier, so way to go, Dad. Look, here they have black lights. I don't get black lights, they always confuse me. I should videotape the people right beside us.
They're knitting. It's Disney World.
No, I'm not gonna. Yeah. So, Disney Highway. It's pretty pimp. We're going to Typhoon Lagoon, which is basically like this water park thing. You'll see it. So what? We're in Typhoon Lagoon.
No, we're not.
I know. Playing, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one as much as Typhoon Lagoon. Blizzard Beach, ladies and gents. Like winter and snow and ice, as if I haven't seen that before. Oh well, I'm sure it'll be lovely, right?
Sure.
Thirst relief, what's that mean? You just walk in there and get, oh, it's a vending machine?
Yeah.
But it was like an outhouse. That's awfully misleading. What if someone pooped in there? Hey guys, okay, so everybody, did Blizzard Beach rock or suck?
Or was it in between?
Go, Damien.
It was amazing.
It was alright. It was okay.
It's not Typhoon Lagoon.
I'm not feeling well, so I can't really, no comment.
Alright, yeah, it's really cold here today. It's like 25 degrees, and I know it doesn't sound that bad, but it is when the water's pretty chilly. Yeah, it's pretty chilly. But anyway.
No, we didn't.
Have an ice day.